Hi and welcome to Island Smile YouTube channel. For today's recipe, we will be cooking this calamari curry, also known as dallo curry in Sinhalese. If you would like to see the recipe in written form, you can find all my recipes with tips and step-by-step photos on my recipe blog islandsmile.org. To make the dallo curry, here are the ingredients. If you would like to learn how to clean your own calamari, watch my video on it here on the channel. First, to cook the calamari curry, over low-medium heat, add water and the cleaned calamari. Add turmeric powder, ginger garlic paste and season with salt. Boil for exactly 2 minutes. Drain and set aside. Now let's make the calamari gravy. Place a cooking pan over low-medium heat and pour in the oil. Once the oil heats, add the curry leaves, cinnamon, ginger garlic paste. Cook until they release their aroma. Add the chopped onions, green chillies. Stir a little. Add turmeric powder, red chilli powder, black pepper powder and the curry powder. As mentioned earlier, you can substitute this with Jaffna curry powder or roasted curry powder for a more intense flavor. Stir a little. Cook the spices with all the other ingredients in the pan. Make sure that you avoid burning the spices. And then pour the coconut milk. Slightly increase heat for the gravy to simmer for 3 to 5 minutes. Stir constantly. Add sugar and season with salt. Stir, taste, and make sure you have a balanced flavor. Once you notice the color of the gravy changing, drain any liquid and add the calamari into the gravy. Reduce heat and slow simmer for 10 to 12 minutes or until the gravy thickens. For more flavor, I would recommend reducing the gravy until it thickens and coats the calamari. Taste, adjust the flavors as you simmer the dallo curry. Once the curry is done, remove from the stove and serve warm. And this is your Sri Lankan calamari curry or dallo curry. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you next time with another great recipe.